Hello YouTube. Well, I know I haven't made any videos in a while, but I got something new and I figured I'd show you. So here it is. I was at the local store the other day and I found this in the vacuum aisle. It's a Bissell Pet Pack attachment kit for your vacuum cleaner. It includes a 6-inch wide turbo nozzle, pet contour tool, and adapters to fit your vacuum cleaner. And it says it fits all major brands: Bissell, Dirt Devil, Dyson, Eureka, Hoover, or Kenmore. Now this little tool combo is pretty cool. I only paid $9.99 for it, while at other stores like Best Buy, they'd want like $29.99. Plus I had a 15% off coupon, so I saved a couple cents. Not much, it's not much, but I saved. So here's the tools. This pet contour tool has a rubber tip here so you can get along your couch, like that. And you can see the little suction ports there where it sucks up the pet hair. And I know Bissell makes a hand vac with this kind of setup on it. So I brought out the Bissell Power Force bagless turbo to show you. I can get the hose off here. There we go. Now it does come with adapters right there and right there. And since this is a Bissell, I don't need to use no adapters, so that's pretty much how you'd use it. The other thing is, the 6-inch wide turbo tool. It's basically the same thing as the regular turbo nozzle. So, yep, there it is right there. And to show you something kind of cool, here's the original turbo nozzle off the bagless turbo, and I'll set it next to the other one. You can see how much bigger it is, how big the brush roll path is compared to this one. Pretty much it's the same turbine and the belt, pretty much the same thing. So here's one adapter. Here's the other adapter, the cardboard holder. Came with a coupon for pet and stain odor remover spray, save $1. And it comes with instructions for the pet pack. So it basically says, for the contour tool, it enables you to reach into corners and edges on stairs as well as armrests and other curved surfaces. The tool can be flipped to use in any direction. And the turbo nozzle, or the wide pet turbo brush as it's called, works great for cushions, beds, and other flat surfaces. Press down gently and pull toward you for maximum cleaning. Do not use too much pressure. It could damage pet hair grabbers or cause brush to stop rotating. It also says, notice these tools are designed to remove pet hair from upholstered or carpeted surfaces. They should not be used on pets. Well, no duh. One more thing about the turbo nozzles. So I'll flip them over here. This one has this little pink rubber thing. This one does not. Well, YouTube, that's all for now. Stay tuned to see a lot more videos ahead and a lot more vacuums. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.